In this particular video, we're going to have a discussion on how to perform question to do with binomial expansion. And we're going to look at this question whereby you are supposed to find the coefficient of 2x minus 5 root 4 minus x. How are you supposed to do this particular question? This is a question that you'll be able to be tested when you are doing P3 papers. So basically this video is going to enable you know exactly what are the steps that you are expected to follow in order to work out such kind of questions. And if you are new to Proflan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime we are going to upload further tutorials, you'll be notified. Let's dive in so that we can be able to see what are the steps required in order for you to do this particular question. Now let's begin by writing the question the way it is. We are told that we're supposed to find the coefficient, and whatever that we are finding the coefficient is actually given by 2x minus 5 Now, in order to work out this, the first thing that we're going to do first, we need to know what is the expansion of root. I remain with 1, x raised to x over 4, then raised to a half. So when you are factoring this number that is inside out, you also take its power out, which will mean that this can be written as, this is the same as, we can say, because 4 raised to a half is actually 2, the square root of 4, right? That is 2. So which means this is going to be given as 2 into bracket 1 minus x over 4 raised to 1 over 2. Now this is the part that actually we have at this given point that we are going to we'll try to expand. This part that we have here is the expand using binomial theorem, right? So we can now conclude that this part of our equation is going to be given us, okay, we need to now say we can expand. This is the part that needs our expansion. This one here, this is the one that needs our expansion. Then we can now say our equation that we were having can be written as 2 into bracket 2x minus 5, then into bracket 1 minus 4 over 1 minus x over 4 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, so we are going to ideally on this expansion now. What can this be expanded to? We are going to start by first looking at how does binomial expansion occur. So we are going to say, if you, according to binomial theorem, if you're having 1 plus x raised to is a